Good day, everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you about this Immersion little hand mixer. It's a 12-speed mixer that can do just about everything in your kitchen. This is a pretty powerful little motor. It can do things like it can whisk, it can blend, it can mix, it can chop, and it's all pretty quick, pretty versatile. Give you an example. The chopper itself here, you can see there's a blade inside of this. I'm not going to get too involved in this, but simply it pushes on and connects, and then all you have to do is just press the button and away it goes. To switch over to a different thing, you just grab a different attachment, and once again, away you go. There's no real worrying about mixing or getting things dirty, cross-contaminating. And then imagine you can mix this up with a nice smoothie however you wish. And once again, you can set this off to the side. And then if you had, some potatoes to whisk or something like that, you could just put this in, and away it does its thing. And if you wanted to then switch to doing a frother or something like that, you can then put in this device and, so on and so forth. So what's really cool about this, all the stuff that you see right here is all dishwasher safe. It comes with a really neat little cookbook. It tells you how to make salsa or guacamole, of course, smoothies, things like that. You have your instruction manual here. It's a really neat little tool. And I feel it really helps out people that have like a limited storage capacity in their house. Like, we see all these tiny homes that don't have a very big kitchen or something like that. This would be a real lifesaver for a house like that, where you could have something like this, and it will just do all sorts of different jobs. And you don't have to have different, a blender, some sort of chopper or whatever. One tool does a lot of different things. I don't want to say all, but it does a lot. And I think it would be a great benefit for most households. So if you would like to find out more about this machine, please feel free to click the link below. And as always, if you can like and subscribe, really helps out the channel quite a bit. I appreciate all your time watching our videos here, and we'll hope to talk to you soon. Bye.